Look down, Zane.
Just like push his head.
Good, maybe let's like move this.
He's watching.
Hi, Zane. He looks like a Mexican.
Move your
Work it, Tim. Work it.
Look at his head.
Poor little guy. You're not
Zane.
Your dew's all gone, man. That's what you were known for.
You look
Your
good.
hair. We're shaving it all off. Oh. Hi.
He like starts crying after.
And he's like, reaches over and touches his hair. He's like,
Zane.
I know when I cut Grandma's hair all off, I was like, I was wondering if she was
Aw,
gonna
don't
like,
cry.
freak out.
Hey, Zane.
Oh, he's good. Start crying.
Hey, I gotta get the bottom, but he's literally gonna have to be
He
like
could lay
laying
him
down.
down.
Talk to him down
Hi,
here.
Zane.
Liza,
He needs to
let's
look
talk to him
down.
down here.
Zane. Hi, boy.
You're really
Hi.
gonna just have to like.
That's what I'm saying.
Hi.
I don't really. I
Hi.
can't. He's gonna start crying. So hurry.
Hi. Hi. Don't cry.
Do it from
Don't
the side.
cry. Don't cry.